Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Specify how photos fit an image cell, use the options in the Image Settings panel at the right side of the print module. Depending on the currently selected layout style, different options appear in the Image Settings panel. Checking the Zoom to Fill checkbox, which appears only for single image contact sheet and picture package layout styles, fills the entire image cell with the photo. If enabled, this may automatically crop one or more edges of a photo. However, you can click and drag the image in the cell to change the part of the photo to show. Note that for both the picture package and custom package layout styles, you must hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking and dragging to move the photos within the cells. Checking the Rotate to Fit checkbox, which is only available for single image contact sheet and picture package layout styles, rotates images to produce the largest image that fits in each image cell. Checking the Repeat one photo per page checkbox, which is available only for the single image contact sheet layout style, fills every image cell on a grid template with the selected photo. Checking the Photo Border checkbox, which is available only for picture package and custom package layout styles, applies a white border to photos. If checked, then use the Width slider to specify the border's thickness. Checking the Inner Stroke checkbox, which is available for all layout styles, but is called Stroke Border for the single image contact sheet layout style, adds an inner stroke to the photo in each image cell. If checked, then use the Width slider to set the stroke's thickness. To change its color, click the color chip to the right of the checkbox, slide the slider in the color pop-up menu that appears upwards to show the colors in the palette, click to select a color, and then click the X in the color pop-up menu to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.